So today's project is gonna be my gate in Sochi. So I bought these electrical gates for electrical motors for these two gates right here. You can see it, 1, 2, and they're coming in. I'm about to go pick them up, and I wanna install them. So today's project is gonna be installing electrical gate mechanism, low motors for my gate, so I can press a button on my remote and the gate's gonna open. So when I pull up to the driveway, I can just press the remote, it's gonna open, and I can, drive my car into the gate. And there's already one problem that I ran into thinking about it, and the angle. The mechanism are made for 90-degree angle. So you got the gate, it opens up pretty much like this one. But this gate right here, it opens up more because, so this is 90-degree. And you see how the gate is still in the driveway, in the way? This gate needs to be opening up all the way up to here. That's like 130 degrees. So that's the problem that I'm gonna have. But we can figure it out, I'm sure. Worst case scenario, I'll re-weld it and it's gonna be opening towards the road. That way one's opening towards the road, one's opening towards the inside, and I just drive my car in. It's gonna be a pain in the butt, but that's the worst case scenario. Anyways, let's go pick up the gate mechanism from Ozon. That's like the Russian Amazon delivery store. So yeah, enjoy. So got it opened up. This is what it looks like. Got two little mechanisms right here. Got an instruction in English and in Russian. Cool. And this is the brains, I assume. Yep, that's the brains, that's the remotes. Let's put it here. That's what they look like. Oh, hard to do with one hand. So that's what they look like. So this rod right here, this one, extends out and pulls the gate out. So quite simple design. Let's just hope that it's got an extra for that 30 degrees that I need. So now I'm gonna read the instruction. Yep, because I learned from the past mistakes that always read the damn instruction. That way it makes life so much simpler. So that's what I'm gonna do now. After reading the instruction yesterday, we end up going hiking in the mountains. So it's a new day, a new look, and let me show you what I got going on here, guys. So this is the setup. We got the mechanisms, we got the box, the remotes are right here for it, and I bought a wire and a wall plug socket. So I'm gonna hook it up and test it out first before starting any welds, anything on the fence. I'm gonna test it out first. That way I know that everything works as it should. So let me hook it all up and I'll tell you what I've done, and then we'll go from there. All right, I got it all hooked up. Got my power wire. I got the motors connected here, left, right, and the remote. So you press this button. You can see they're both opening up. Pretty cool. And if I press it up, they stop. Press it again, they're closing. Press it again, up, they're opening up. Very cool, it works. And if I press one button, they're just closing that one. Okay, so I can just open and close one gate if I want to. And the other buttons, this one's not doing anything, and this one's not doing. So I can program these two buttons for something. This is the main one that I can open as a gate or as an entrance just for a person to come in. And if I press both of them, then both of the gates are opening. So it's pretty simple. We got the brackets here, got the instruction. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook up that one on this gate right here, the hard gate, to make sure, to see how much degrees it's gonna open maximum, and we'll go from there. Let's do that. All right, so what I did is I temporarily drilled little metal screws, shingle screws in, for the roofing screws, just to get an idea of where the bracket should be. And as you can see, I'm opening the gate now, and theoretically it goes down by here. And yes, it's not all the way where I want it to be, but I think I got enough clearance for the car, because once the car comes in, it goes more this way and then goes straight all the way up to here, and then you cut it right to park it there. So I think theoretically that should be right. So now what we do is I got my level, and I'm gonna put my level up right here, and I have to find the level with this one. Put 2 screws for the bracket for the other end of the gate mechanism. So let me do that, and I'll be back in a sec. All right, got it temporarily hooked up here, and I got this somewhat snagged on just to try to, I hope it's not gonna break off these freaking bolts, but let's see. All right, it's opening. It's not gonna be enough, damn it. Oh, maybe it might. Nope, that is not enough. Oh, damn it, Janet. That is not enough. So, yep, that is definitely not enough. So I'm gonna have to come up with a way, and it is still more than the post. Let me close it. All right, close. So it'll be enough for that one, because that one's opening all the way past the fence. I mean, past the driveway. But this one is not. So let's see how much further is it closing. It's not even closing all the way here. Oh, that's what I was afraid of. It's not gonna. Okay, well, it works here. That's fine. It can be closed like that. But the problem is it's not opening it far enough for me to drive the car in. All right, let me do some thinking right now and some adjusting. I might be able to adjust something there. So after adjusting it as much as I could, this is as much as I can get. I mean, it's enough. It's enough for a smaller car to come here and park or go there, but not for my big truck. But it's okay. My big truck is going to be parked there, so it's not too bad. And then in the future, I'm going to extend. I'm going to put not crush and run, but I'm going to put bricks here, and I'm going to extend this driveway so it's going to be level with the ground. So even if somebody's coming in, the wheel can go on here and kind of like drive on over into here. So it's not that bad. All right, let's do the other side then. I mean, it's very primitive, but yeah, pretty much it works. I just gotta weld it. I'll just weld it here and put a bracket behind there and weld one there, and weld this one right here. But it's a lot more convenient to do it with the remote. I mean, it's pretty sweet. I like the setup. So this is going to be the first one that's going to open. Then that one's going to open, and then I still have to come up with like some kind of bracket right here so it hits that bracket. That way it's flush shot. And from the other side, the way it's going to look, so if they're going to be like this, I mean, they're not completely flush to each other. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but it doesn't look too bad. I mean, you can see that the gate is a little bit arched, but there's no other no other way of doing it, but that's fine. That's not a big deal. So that's not a big deal. All right, let's get this side done too. Test them out, and then let's do a quick weld. Yeah, so it's cool. I'll pull up when the gate's open, and I can drive in. Yeah, it's really tight, really tight. A small car, no problem. I don't think the Dodge is gonna make it driving past this, but it's quite easy to take this thing apart. You just lift this one up, and then you can move the gate over. So, yeah. All right, so I got the electrical all hooked up in the box. There's some pre-drilled holes in the bottom here. So that's the power wire. The power wire for now, it's just going around the car to my socket. This one is for the other motor, and I'm gonna bury it right here under the ground, and it goes in my drainage right here, and it comes out on the other side that I'm gonna secure it along the wall here, and it goes to this motor right here. And this motor is simple, it just goes from here to that one. So let's give it a try. First try of both gates. Let's see. Cool. Well, this one, like I said, plenty of space for that one, because I don't need it. I mean, it's gonna open more than I need it to. And this one, okay, cool. That looks pretty good. All right, let's close it. So this one should close first before that one. That's the main one. So let's see if they're gonna crash into each other. Ah, perfect. Yeah, as you can see, that one closes later. So I'm gonna have to weld something here, like a little bracket for that one to push this one over. But that looks good. And then we got Tracy over. Say hi. He's gonna do his shelves. He's got these metal shelves that he's doing for his plants. He's keeping them under here because he's got to still paint them and do all that stuff to the shelves. And he's trying to help me calculate the angle that we need for this to actually open the gate a little bit more. What are you thinking?
I got it.
You got it?
Yes.
Let's do it. But look, it is pretty cool.
That looks nice.
Hey, come on. So I can open one gate. So let's say somebody came in, one gate, bam, and I can close one gate. Or I can open both gates.
Cool.
I mean, that's so cool.
It's smooth.
Yeah, that is really cool. I like that. And it's gonna have a cover. I'm pretty sure that the cover is waterproof because it's got a little groove in here and there's a seal on the other side. So this is just gonna hang here because it's got the antenna right there for the remotes. The dog is looking like, what the hell is going on? Why they're moving? All right. So we pretty much adjusted it the best way possible, but it works and it's not too bad. Yep. So now I got automatic gates. See? Pretty cool. And that's about enough space for a car to go in. So that should be fine. Plus I'm gonna have this level with the ground whenever I bring the crushed rucks here. And yeah, Tracy's about to weld his low shelves. And after he's done welding with that, I'm gonna weld these brackets on the motors on the gate, and I should be it should be done. So yeah, see you in a sec. So got it all welded, got it all done. I'm doing a little bit of adjustments now, but looks like it's working. Got my welds done here and here. Now, Brucey, the automatic gate, you can't get out now. But yeah, looks good. Got it welded here. Still got to paint it. And here. I know I don't got the best welds, but whatever. But yeah, put the cover back on and it's done. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. How to hook up a automatic gate opener, I guess. And remember, I don't care if you subscribe or not. But thanks for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day wherever you're at. Peace.